Ironman.
Hey, welcome to Tommy Gami. Today we're doing another Valentine's Day box. It's special because this is Reese's last Valentine's Day box. And so he's in 5th grade, this is the last year they're doing it. And he's my youngest, so this is the last time I'll be making one for one of my kids. So, what do you want? What are you thinking?
Maybe like a dude, I don't know.
A dude, yeah.
It's gotta be fun and creative because the last year.
Fun and creative. All right. Well, I'll get to work and come up with something great.
Okay.
Okay, I'm on it. Okay, I'll show you what I've been working on. So, in one of my previous projects, I did some folds that had sort of a spring effect. When I was doing the fingers, it would pop back, and I really liked that. So I sort of just made a quick prototype of that springiness, right? And you'll see it bounces pretty well. So I played around, so this is just a quick model that I did real quick. And now I just built a quick prototype, which is the same concept. And so all it is you have basically a tube, a rectangular tube with these 2 springs in there. Very, very simple. And goes in, and then you just push it down, opens the mouth. Right? You put a piece in, and I just have a back door back here that you put the piece in and goes through the back. Very, very crude model that I just did really quick. So here's another model that I did after that. Same concept, it's got a bigger tube in here, and but it's got sort of a mouth on it. So that's the dude that Reese wants. So basic concept is, this one I use sort of a lever effect. So I'm pushing down and using the lever here to sort of push that open. It's the same concept. It's just got a spring there. It's a bigger one that springs down. So that's basically it. So I'm probably gonna start painting and see if we can make it look like it's something cool. I'm thinking Ironman, and it sort of has that look a little bit with the mouth. So I'm gonna paint this and see if I can make it look like a legit Ironman. These are the colors I'm gonna use. So I've got like this dark burgundy red for that's sort of the color Ironman is. Got gold for the mask area and a few other spots. White for the eyes. I think these colors match pretty well. I think it'll look good. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Here it is, Mr. Ironman. I am Ironman.
Oh, that's Groot.
Groot. Oh, I am Groot. Yes.
Yeah.
Mixing up my Marvel. All right. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be a big hit.
Good. There we go. Hey, how was the reaction? How'd it go?
It was insane. People were giving me double candy because it was so cool. And like I was going down the hall and then it lost an arm, so I had to fix that. And then at the end, it full on got decapitated.
Awesome. Good. Glad it was a hit.